This is skill 9. The two cities I picked were Buenos Aires and Beijing. And then for both I found how many hours of sunlight they have on December 21st, or a solstice. For Buenos Aires it's 14 hours, and for Beijing it's 9 hours. So I made the two equations right here. This 2 pi over 365 makes the period 365, which is how many days are in a year, obviously. So I wanted to make that become a period to be 1 year. And then finding the amplitude was, we know that Fred is at 12 because the city's going to receive as much sunlight as it misses out on in the other half of the year, so it's going to average out to 12. So that becomes Fred. So to find the amplitude, you do the max minus Fred, and it's 2 for Buenos Aires and -3 for Beijing. And then this is just for the period. It's plus 10 because I wanted the y-axis to be January 1st, so this moves it back 10 days, which would be December 21st, which is the first points I have. And then plus 12 because 12 is Fred, and we need that Fred to be 12. And then basically just go through all the domains. The domains are the same, negative infinity to infinity. The range is a little different because of the amplitude. It's 10 to 14, and then 9 to 15. There are no x intervals for intercepts for either. The y-intercept for Buenos Aires is 0.13.97, and then for Beijing it's 0.9.04. It's increasing from 172.5 plus 365k to 355 plus 365k, and then -10 to plus 365k, and 172 plus 365k. And then they just switch for the decreasing. The amplitude for Buenos Aires is 2, for Beijing it's 3. The period is 365 for both. It's positive always because it never goes below the x-axis. So it's negative infinity to infinity, and there's no negative because it never goes below the axis.